Photoline is a registered trademark of Computer Insel, and I am in no way affiliated with Computer Insel. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create vector shapes. If you come over to your toolbox and select the polygon, it looks like a triangle there. I'm going to come over to my main picture and click and hold down my mouse and drag out a triangle there. And this is a vector shape, so I can come down here to my vector toolbox and change the line color like so, as well as the width and the style and the fill color as well, and I can do this at any time, as I said. I can also come over to the tool settings and change the amounts of corners on my polygon at any time. I can also change the angle as well. And if you click on your polygon tool, you've got some other options. You can create rounded boxes and squares and ellipses and circles and such things, and these all function pretty much the same, but I'm going to leave it on polygon for right now. And what I can do is I can come in, and if I select my select points, my edit vector points tool, it looks like a arrow. I can come in and adjust these points in the vector as well. I can also delete the points by selecting the delete vector points there as well. And another thing I can do is I can create vector points by selecting the insert vector points. It looks like a hammer, and come in and create those anywhere along the lines. Also, what I can do is if I select the connect vector paths right here, it looks like kind of like a glue bottle. I can come over and connect two points together just by clicking on them. And that's how you create vector shapes and use some of the tools associated with them.